Welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, we are going to show you how to loop an animation in Canva quickly and effortlessly. To begin, open Canva on your computer or mobile device and load up your project. You can upload your own photo, graphic, or video, or simply select an element directly from the vast Canva library. Once you have your element placed on the canvas, click on it to highlight it. You will notice the top menu appear. Select the animate option from that menu. The left panel will then display a wide variety of animation styles. Browse through the options and pick the animation effect that works best for your specific design. You have full control over the motion, so feel free to adjust the timing by increasing or decreasing the duration slider to make the animation move faster or slower. To make this animation loop perfectly, the secret lies in how you export the file. Navigate to the Share button at the top right corner of your screen. Click Download and select either MP4 video or GIF as your file format. By exporting as a GIF or MP4, your design will automatically loop endlessly whenever it is played on any device or uploaded to your social media platforms. Additionally, if you are working directly with a video background inside a Canva presentation, you can select the video, go to the playback settings at the top, and toggle on the play on repeat feature. This ensures the video continues to loop seamlessly while presenting. That is all it takes to loop animations in Canva. If you found this tutorial valuable, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward and professional design guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.